This is Stephanie coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, February 13th, 2015. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 25 and a low of 17 with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Dia,
Armando, Oswald, Jasmine.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls won 113-98 last night against the Cleveland Cavaliers. The Blackhawks will play the New Jersey Devils tonight at 7:30. There is only one club meeting today, 4th grade Advanced Photo Club in room 104 at 3 o'clock. Zumba class for kindergarten through 3rd grade will meet in the gym after school. Tonight is Hoover's movie night. The Lego movie will be shown in the gym, and Dolphin Tale will be shown in the library. Ticket price is $3, and doors open at 6. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Stephanie. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. A couple of quick reminders. Number one, when we have patrols outside before and after school, you need to listen to them. They're out there for our safety. And the patrols have asked me to pass along that you should all be walking on the sidewalks. Please don't run through the bushes and all of the plantings in the gardens. And then also, as you've heard me say before, you should not be throwing any kind of snow or ice out there. After school and before school also apply. So we want everyone to be safe out there. We don't want anyone to get hurt. And then finally, if you see Rowdy the armadillo running to the building, let me know. He's escaped my office. I see some people are chuckling in here. I suspect they may know where he is at. Time to pull some Herbie high fives. All right, this is the second floor egg. Let's see here. Oh, this is just a joke. See, there are just all kinds of pranksters today. Oh, funny, funny. Friday the 13th. See, this is... Apparently that's me vacuuming. All right, we have got Anthony in 206. Zane in 202. Izzy in 207. Roman in 207. Samuel in 207. Wow, 207, loading up the egg here. Me vacuuming again. Thank you. Oh, Brandon in 207. Mrs. Villarreal's loaded the egg up. Oh, apparently me with long curly hair. Oh, again. Wow. All right, two more here. We've got Jason in 213 and Mahoney in 213 as well. All right, now we're gonna flip down to the first floor egg, the primary egg. And I do know that we had a few intermediate slips put in here, so we may be pulling a few of those as well. I'm afraid to see what it is. Noah in 101. Salma in 101. Arna in 101. Wow, Mr. Presco's room has really loaded up the egg. Who else we got? Looks like Danny in 101. Let's see if we can get another classroom here. And Vitha in 101. Wow, and I'm mixing these up really good. Here we go. We've got Martha in 117. We'll do two more. Ayan in 110 and Dakota in 112. Congratulations, everybody. Got your name called. Remember to stop down at the office after announcements. Everybody have a great Valentine's Day tomorrow, and have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome.
Here's today's interesting fact. About 1 billion Valentine's Day cards are exchanged each year. Hallmark has over 1,300 different cards just for Valentine's Day. Most of those cards will be given to someone special with a red heart-shaped box of chocolates. This week's broadcast was brought to you by your 6th grade production team, the Production Panthers. Have a Filled with Love Friday!